And action.
This is Mike, Greenland's ice cream man, and he makes ice cream made from the waters from the ice cap of Greenland. So, some of the best I've ever tasted.
At the beginning, I'm an ice cream eater, so I love ice cream. So that's why I love to make it, and I was in my kitchen and working with ice cream, and then I was like, wait, why don't make it without sugar and without milk? So how to make an ice cream without milk? That was quite difficult to do at the start. But then I was working with it, and now I made it. I made some of the ice is made of the ice cap. So it's the cleanest water you can get. So that's why I'm loving it. So lactose free and low fatness. That's the way to make ice cream here in Greenland. Let's go.
Go ahead.